Dear students, we are going to read chapter 3, The Shepherd's Treasure, in our supplementary reader book. On the day before, you had written some difficult words meaning about the introduction of this story. As you know, shepherd means one who pets sheep, one who keeps sheep, गडेरिया जो भेड़ पालता है. The shepherd's treasure, the name of this story is the shepherd's treasure. Treasure means wealth, संपत्ति. A poor shepherd once lived in Iran. Though uneducated, he was very wise and helpful. The king decided to meet him in disguise. The shepherd was poor and he lived in Iran. Iran is a country where he lived. That poor shepherd lived in Iran. Though uneducated, he had no any type of education. He was not educated. Though uneducated, he was very wise and helpful. However, he was uneducated. He was wise. He was witful and helpful. Wise, बुद्धिमान, witful, बुद्धिमान, helpful, one who helps others, जो दूसरे की मदद करता है. The king decided to meet him in disguise. The king of that country had heard about him and he wanted to see the shepherd. He wanted to meet the shepherd indirectly. He wanted to meet him indirectly. Disguise, not directly, secretly, छुप करके. In a village in Iran, there once lived a shepherd. Here the story begins. In a village in Iran, there was a village in Iran. There once lived a shepherd. The shepherd lived there. He was very poor. The shepherd was not rich. He did not have even a small cottage of his own. Even he had not any type of cottage. Cottage, झोपड़ी, huts. He had not even a small cottage of his own. He had never been to school. He had not gone to school, any school, or learned to read and write. He did not know how to read and write, for there were very few schools in those days. In the old days, there were no schools. So he had not gone to any school for study, to read. So he was uneducated because there were no schools in those days. Though poor and uneducated, as you know, he was poor and uneducated, this shepherd was very wise. It is surprising that shepherd was very wise. He understood people's sorrows and troubles. He was wise, so he understood people's sorrows, लोगों की तकलीफ और दुखों को वह समझा करता था, and helped them face their problems with courage and common sense. And he tried to help them. He tried to solve those problems. He wanted to help anyone. He wanted to solve those problems, troubles, and helped them face their problems with courage and common sense. He was also courageous, वह साहसी था, and common sense. Many people came to him for advice. Many visitors, many people who knew about him, they came to meet him, and they came to him to take suggestion, to take advice. And the shepherd advised the people who came to meet him, because he was wise, so he was also very kind, he was also well hearted, so he wanted to help anyone. Came to him for advice, Rai Salah. Soon he became famous for his wisdom and friendly nature. In a little time, everyone began to know about him. Everyone knew him a wise man. So he became famous for his wisdom and friendly nature. His nature was very fine. He had friendly nature. The king of that country heard about him and thought of meeting him. The king became so happy. The king was so influenced by him that he wanted to meet the shepherd. The king of that country heard about him and the king thought to meet the shepherd. Today we stop our reading here, and I think you will revise only these 2 paragraphs, and I shall give you only 2 questions to write the answer.